Hey dude, I wanted to chat with you about a serious topic that affects a lot of people. Porn addiction. It's not something that we talk about enough, but it's a real problem that can have serious consequences. Quitting porn addiction isn't easy, but it's totally doable. One thing that can help is finding a hobby or activity that you enjoy. Maybe it's something physical like skateboarding or playing basketball, or maybe it's something creative like drawing or playing music. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that keeps you busy and entertained. It can be tough to break the habit of watching porn, but filling your time with other things can make it easier. Another thing that can help is talking to someone about your addiction. This can be super scary, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Maybe it's your best friend, your sibling, or a therapist. Whoever it is, make sure it's someone you trust and who won't judge you. They can offer you support and guidance when you need it most. It's also important to take it one day at a time. Quitting porn addiction is a process, and it's not always going to be easy. But every day is a new opportunity to make progress, so celebrate your victories and keep pushing forward. It's okay to slip up sometimes. Just remember that you're working towards a bigger goal. Now let's talk about why quitting porn addiction is so important. Watching too much porn can mess with your head and your expectations about sex and relationships. It can make you feel anxious, depressed, and just all around crappy. And the porn industry isn't always a great place. Performers can be exploited and objectified, and supporting that kind of industry isn't cool. Plus, it can damage your relationships with others and make it harder to connect with people on a deeper level. But dude, I want to emphasize that quitting porn addiction is possible. It's not something that happens overnight, but with time and effort, it can be done. Don't be afraid to ask for help, and don't give up on yourself. You deserve better than to be controlled by addiction. So find a hobby, talk to someone, take it one day at a time, and remember why it's important. You got this.